Welcome to the World Facts channel.
Here are 10 facts about girls that you may find interesting. Remember, these facts may not apply to every girl or woman, as individuals can vary greatly. 1. Girls tend to mature faster than boys, both physically and emotionally. 2. On average, girls have a higher pain tolerance than boys. 3. Girls have a stronger sense of smell compared to boys. 4. Women generally have a stronger immune system than men. 5. Girls are more likely to excel in language-related subjects such as reading and writing. 6. Women have a higher life expectancy compared to men in most countries. 7. Girls are more likely to seek emotional support and talk about their feelings with others. 8. Women tend to be better at multitasking due to the structure of their brains. 9. Girls are more likely to experience hormonal changes throughout their lives, such as during puberty, pregnancy, and menopause. 10. Women have a larger corpus callosum, the part of the brain that connects the left and right hemispheres, compared to men, which may contribute to B. Please subscribe for the next facts.